Well, hello YouTube. I'm trying something new today. I got my Hero, what is that? I forgot what that's called now. It's a little cube, but I got the Hero 7 on. I'm using the old remote because I compare like the Hero 7, Hero 5, and that little remote, or that little camera. So they're both working at the same time. So we'll see how this works. I broke my my microphone. I was trying to pull it because this cube's on the other side, and I snapped my giant squid. Pulled the cord right off of it. I guess I had it taped down to the top of the handle, so I'm using a lavalier, and hopefully that'll still work. I don't know if this is crooked there. Let's straighten it up a little bit. I'm using the lavalier, and hopefully that'll work. I haven't used it because it always had kind of static to it, so I hopefully it don't. But today is the 13th, Saturday, so it's 7:14, so I should be cooling off a little bit. So we'll give this one a try. You can see me through that one, which is weird. I'll put that down, and I haven't done it in a long time. Put it down in a smaller part of the video. If I can sync them up, it should be okay. So I'm out for a ride on the Spyder. I rode the Gold Wing. When did I ride it? Last night? I don't think I videoed it. So I'll turn it back on a little bit later. Bye. Well, hello there again, YouTube. Geez, I just crashed the Caravan. Everybody with their flashers on. There was something wrong with that truck, I guess. Pain in the butts. Going 40 miles an hour. Well, that house is really close to the road. It's a nice house, but it's really close to the road. There's a house up here. I think it's got like 20 or 30 acres, and it's for sale. It's beautiful. It's got a great big shop back there. It's way off of the road. This is a highway, but it's so far off the road you wouldn't even hear the highway. The car behind me, I'd like to be able to just stop and take a gander with the GoPro, but got somebody behind me. It's up here a little ways anyway. That's not it. I might just pull over if I can. If this, you'll see a for sale sign out here, but it's a big, huge piece of property, and it's way back there. I can't afford it, but it's really nice. I think it's like 1.28. And you would need a tractor to mow it. It's so big. That zero turn I got will take me 5 days. It's coming up. I think. Ooh, somebody lost their strap. Yeah, maybe. I don't think I passed it. I may have. Didn't even see it. think I passed it yet. Yes, I did. Huh? I didn't pass it. Didn't even see it. No, wait. No, I passed it. Oh well. Missed it.